This job is for cloud security architect and ING Australia in Sydney. This is a full time mid senior level hybrid role. ING is the world's leading direct savings bank and even prouder to be Australia's most recommended bank. They are looking for someone who has hands on experience with Azure security mechanism and best practices, demonstrated hands on experience in technical leadership role, preferably banking and financial services, good knowledge of multiple environments such as domains, platforms, products, architectures, and technologies. Cloud architect experience with good understanding of cloud concepts and cloud security challenges. Azure and GCP are preferred. Strong understanding of cloud security domains, industry standards, and best practices. The candidates should also have familiarity around risk assessment frameworks and local regulatory requirements such as APRA. If you are interested in this role, please visit ING Australia's website and apply from there. Thank you.